Hello guys, I welcome you to our AB Math education. Today we are going to explain the horizontal stretch and the vertical stretch when it comes to compress and the stretch. A lot of students are having trouble with that, so today we are going to bust it with this balloon right here. So once more again, we reminded that all functions behave the same. So this is a quadratic, absolute, and the trigonometric transformation. All of them behave the same. Exponential and all the other linear, all of them behave the same. So our concentration is going to be on the quadratic, and you can extend that with the absolute and the trigonometry and the exponential and the linear. So the A outside here, that one calls the vertical stretch or compress. Number inside here, inside the parenthesis or the bracket, that calls the horizontal stretch or compress. And this is where a lot of people have trouble, especially when you're saying it's compressing and say, if it is compressing, then it have to be that and that. So we are going to use this to get all that sorted out today. As for the left and right, up and down, no issue. And then if this negative here is reflection, no issue. But the issue is the vertical and the horizontal, and we are going to bust it with the bar. Let's go to our graph. So first of all, let's look at the number when it's outside. If we have 4x squared, that means it's outside, and the outside is bigger than 1, so it have to be stretched. So stretching, that means when you're stretching vertically, you see you're holding up here and you're stretching, and you see that means it's narrowing towards the y-axis. Let's look at when it's less than 1. We're using the same 4, so we are just flipping it. Okay, so 1 over 4x squared. And here, since the number outside is less than 1, we said it compresses vertically. So let's compress the vertical. That means we are pressing it down, up and down. You see that? So you see that when it's compressing vertically, top and down, we see that what is happening is moving away from the y and move towards the x-axis. So it's spreading. You see that it's spreading towards that. Let's go to when it's inside the parentheses and we have 4x squared. Close inside and squared. And here, remember, the vertical and the horizontal, they behave opposite. So here, since the number is bigger and it's inside the parentheses, this one is compressing horizontally. So the horizontal is this way. So we are going to compress it. You're compressing it. You see, when you compress it, you see that now it's elongated. It's becoming narrow towards the y-axis. So that explains that, okay? Compresses, you see that it narrows. So compressing horizontally. And this is what happened, okay? 1 over 4 inside, and you put your square here. So here is stretching horizontally. So let's see, you're picking the horizontal side and you're stretching. When you're stretching, you see that it's opening and opening towards the x-axis. All right, so that's how it behaves. So moving forward, when we talk about compressing, they say, oh, we are compressing. Why is it becoming widening? Because of this, okay? So here, when it's smaller than 1 and it's inside the parenthesis, is stretching, horizontal stretch. So horizontal stretch, you see that? That means it's becoming wider and wider. So that's the reason why though we're saying it's stretching and it's wider like that. And the other one, we see that when we compress it here, that's where the problem comes. We compress it here, you see it become elongated, it become longer towards the y-axis. Okay, thank you for sticking with me all the way to the end. Please, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.